Welcome back friends. Today's video topic is how to use SUM and XLOOKUP function together in Microsoft Excel. First of all, let's understand what is in the data. Here in this Excel sheet, I have the data of different fruits and their quantity sold in different stores. The requirement here is to calculate the total quantity sold based on the fruit name that is selected from this drop down list. For this, you can use the combination of SUM and XLOOKUP. Click on the cell, press equal to, type the SUM function, open bracket, combine XLOOKUP function, open bracket. In the lookup value, click on the fruit name that will be selected from the drop down, put a comma. In the lookup array parameter, select the fruit name range of the source data table because we have to look up this fruit name here in this range, then put a comma. And in the return array, select the quantity sold range because we have to see all the quantities of the fruit selected here, then calculate the total. Now close bracket, close one more bracket for the SUM function, then hit enter. This is the total for dragon fruit. If you select a different fruit from here, the total auto change. So this is how you can use the combination of SUM and XLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you again in next tutorial.